Hello! Have you ever wanted to start a youth magazine? My name is Mag, and today I'm going to tell you what steps you should take to establish a magazine. Step 1. Think of a title for your magazine. Make it simple because you want it to be something people can remember, and it should somehow reflect the content of your magazine. Step 2. Decide on the issue's dates: monthly, weekly, fortnightly, etc. Step 3. Choose what sort of price you'd like customers to pay, or if it's free. Make sure it's advertised on the magazine's front cover. Step 4. You could include some articles about celebrities, then put their photos on the cover. Step 5. Put your titles on the cover as well. Make sure the cover is glossy, colorful, and attractive. Step 6. Come up with a list of topics that you want to include in every issue. This list is to be developed. You could use it as your summary afterwards. Step 7. Include a lot of pictures. That will make the magazine entertaining. After all, it is for young people. Step 8. Send the magazine to a bunch of your friends and to your family. Ask them if they'd like to be subscribers. Add these people to a list in your email contacts and come out with issues as often as you like. Step 9. Give a launching party and invite local teens. Provide music, beverages, snacks, and prizes. Sample copies of your magazine and subscription forms should be readily available. The party should be teen-oriented with no alcoholic beverages. Step 10. From your money that you earn, employ some friends to take photos, draw illustrations, write articles on certain subjects, etc. You can then charge more. So, my dear friend, now you know how to start your own magazine. Go for it and good luck.